Armstrong, Indiana and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Allegheny County in southwest Pennsylvania, southern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, Westmoreland County in southwest Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along the line extending from Crooked Creek Lake Park to Plum, and were moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Apollo, Plum, Vandergrift, Crooked Creek Lake Park, Shelucta, Marysville, Salzburg, Delmont, New Alexandria, Homer City, Greensburg, Blairsville. This line of storms has produced widespread wind damage. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.